आज हाफ पद्मासन लगा के बैठने का ट्राई करो। तो हाफ पद्मासन में पहले जो लेफ्ट एक पैर है उसको पूरा क्लोज लाने की कोशिश करो और दूसरा पैर लिफ्ट करके, और हाँ दोनों करो। 2-3 मिनट बैठ सकते हो तो कंफर्टेबली जिससे बैठ सकते हैं, ठीक है। अगर ये कंफर्टेबल नहीं है तो उस पैर को थोड़ा और दूर लेके आ जाओ, जैसे कंफर्टेबल है वहाँ ला के बैठो, ठीक है। हैंड्स इन चिन मुद्रा, बैक स्ट्रेट, नेक स्ट्रेट, shoulders relaxed, eyes gently closed, and start to breathe deep and long. Inhale deeply and exhale out completely and slowly. Bring your mind and body to the practice. Relax your mind, relax your body. Release all the tensions from the day. Bring your awareness to the class, bring your body and mind to the class. Now bring your complete attention onto your breath. Observe the slow sound of your breath. Slowly bring your focus in between your eyebrow center, Ajna Chakra. Try to focus between your eyebrows by keeping your breath deep and long. With that, let's start with 3 Om chantings. Take a deep breath in. Gently rub your palms together. Cup it to your eyes, give the warmth. Slowly bring your palms away from your face. Look at your palms and open your eyes slowly. Warm up से start करते हैं. Come onto your palms and knees. Make sure your knee and hip in one line. Wrist and shoulder in one line, fingers widespread. Now bring your body weight slightly forward, cross your wrists, forward, bring your body weight forward and slowly back. Let's do some wrist strengthening. Forward, back, balance करके गिरना नहीं है आगे, just balance forward and back, forward and back. 2 more, forward and back. Last, forward. नीचे तक नहीं जाना है, just balance. यहाँ पे पूरा weight लेके आओ and then back. Now turn your fingers towards you and place your palms. Same thing, body weight forward, body weight back. Now try to sit on your heels here and then forward slowly, cross your arms and back. Try to keep your elbows straight. 3, forward, back, 4, back slowly, last 5 and back. सेंटर में आ जाओ. Now back of your palm, both very slow. अभी हर्ट नहीं करना है खुद को, just very lightly forward and backward. 2, 3, slowly, बहुत ज़्यादा weight मत डालो. 4 and release. Center. From there, lift your hips up. Look at your toes. Stay there. Move your heels and toes up and down. Just like you're walking, as if you're walking at your same place. Keep walking at the same place. Lift your right leg up slowly. All the way up. Stay there. Stay. Keep lifting it higher. Try to bring your upper body towards your leg. Push करो upper body को अंदर की तरफ. Nice. Focus. And then slowly bring your leg outside your palm. Right palm. Stay there. Stay. Take the leg back, up. Again forward, same leg. Back, up. Again forward. Back. Forward. Back. Forward 4. One more back. Exhale forward. Take the leg back. Drop your leg. Drop your leg. Drop. Stay there. Lift your left leg up all the way as high as you can. Stay there. Stay. Inhale. Right, left leg forward between your palm. Outside your left leg. Take the leg back. Up. And forward 2, up, forward 3, up, forward 4, up, and 5. Take the leg back, come to downward facing dog. Drop your knees, relax. Drop your knees. You're joining for the session? Stay, take a moment, and then stand up at your place. Feet together. Both your arms up, interlock your hands over your head. Stretch your hands first. Now find a focus point. Inhale. And slowly with an inhalation, lift your heels up, gaze at one point and find the focus, find the balance. Stay. Try to keep your feet and heels together. If you're comfortable, breathe. Breathe here. Breathe. Keep the focus at one point, easy to balance, easy to focus. Slowly drop. Drop your hands. Legs slightly apart. Take your right arm up. Left arm beside your body. Slide your left arm down and tilt. Do not lean forward. Open your chest. Hand closer to your ear and look up. Stay. Up. Other side. Inhale and exhale. Look up, stay, breathe, and then come back. Now dynamic movement backward or forward bending करेंगे हम. Legs more than hip width apart, slightly more. Inhalation के साथ head और hands साथ में पीछे जाएंगे. And then exhalation के साथ fold forward जितना हो सकता है. फिर इधर से हाथ और सर साथ में एंड बैक एज मच एज यू कैन. ठीक है, स्टार्ट. इनहेल, एक्सहेल, फोल्ड, इनहेल अप, एक्सहेल स्लोली. मुकेश, हेड हैंड्स साथ में ऊपर जाएंगे, इनहेल अप, एक्सहेल फोल्ड, यस, इनहेल अप, exhale fold, inhale up, exhale fold, inhale up, exhale fold, inhale up, exhale fold, and slowly inhale up, relax. Now either wall के सपोर्ट से और ग्लास के सपोर्ट से या वॉल के सपोर्ट से, कहीं भी व्हेन यू आर गोइंग बैक, स्टे, जितना मैक्सिमम जा सकते हो स्टे देयर एंड देन कम बैक, ठीक है। इसका मतलब थोड़ा वॉल से थोड़ा डिस्टेंस रखो, एटलीस्ट आर्म के बराबर, ऐसे मेजर करो, यस। नाउ दोनों हाथ से इनहेल अप और टिल wherever you can go, स्लाइड करके नहीं, कम बैक, कम अप, एक ही बार में जितना जा सकते हो, विल जस्ट टच एंड कम बैक, ठीक है। स्लाइड वर्किंग ऑन बैक बेंड, डू इट। हाथ और सर साथ में जाएगा तो ज़्यादा जा पाओगे पीछे, कम बैक, हाँ थोड़ा आगे आओ आप। नाउ हाथ पहले ऊपर लेके जाओ एंड देन गो बैक, थोड़ा सा पीछे आ जाओ, एक स्टेप पीछे, जस्ट वन स्टेप, गो बैक, आराम से, यस, गो बैक, नाइस, कम बैक स्लोली। पहले से बेंड मत हो, पहले हाथ यहाँ तक लेके जाओ, फिर अपर बॉडी और लोअर बॉडी, सॉरी अपर बॉडी और हाथ साथ में पीछे जाएंगे, यस, नाइस, परफेक्ट। नाउ विद दैट you will go slightly more deeper. Abhi you are holding it here. Now what you will do is inhale and then start to walk here, जितना नीचे जा सकते हो। I'll do it there. ये टूटेगा तो नहीं? हाँ, I'll do it here. तो how you will go is wall से inhale, hold the wall and then वॉक बैक। अगर पैर आगे करना है तो फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन डू एंड देन ट्राई जहाँ तक आ सकते हो, स्लोली सपोर्ट के साथ कम बैक, ठीक है। लेट्स ट्राई, गो बैक, वॉक, यस, वॉक योर हैंड्स फॉरवर्ड, गो डाउन, nice, it's okay, lie down, lie down, lie down, stand up once again, let's try, ठीक है, then relax, बैक बेंड मना किया, बैक बेंड नहीं करना है ज़्यादा, ऐसा, ठीक, try, go down, आराम से, come up slowly, it's okay, nice, one last try, hold the wall, go, walk, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, yes, walk, 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 come up slowly, relax, come back to your place. Let's do 3 rounds of Surya Namaskars. Feet together. We'll do Ashtanga B Surya Namaskars. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale and fold forward completely. Inhale, half fold. Now half fold में either your fingers should touch the mat. Excuse me, can you talk outside? Yeah, there's class going on. No? It's not fine for us actually. Let's start again. Inhale, Utkatasana. exhale, fold forward, inhale, half fold. Ardha Uttanasana में now either your fingertips will be on the mat or your palms will be here. अगर mat पे touch नहीं हो रहा है तो it should be here. ठीक है? Now both your palms on the mat on either side of your legs. Inhale, jump back to Chaturanga, half push up. Inhale and up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg forward between your palms, back leg on the mat. Come up, Veerbhadrasana. Look forward. Yes. Palms on the mat, take the leg back, Chaturanga once again. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg forward between your palms. Come up, Veerbhadrasana. Look forward. Nice. Palms on the mat. Take the leg back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Stay here for 3 breaths. Relax. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Look forward. Bend your knees. Jump or walk forward between your palms. Half fold, half fold. Ardha Utthana. Uttanasana. Fold completely. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, release. Second round. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Palms on the mat. Jump back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Inhale, right leg forward, Veerbhadrasana. Palms on the mat, take the leg back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Try to keep your feet together. Inhale, left leg forward. Come up. Palms on the mat, take the leg back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Exhale. Inhale, left leg. Done, no? Left leg. Stay there. 3, 2, 1. Look forward, bend your knees. Jump between your palms. Now fold completely. Utkatasana again. Exhale, release. Last round. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale and fold. Inhale, half fold. Palms on the mat. Jump back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale, Chaturanga. आराम से slowly. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left. Palms on the mat. Take the leg back. Chaturanga. Up dog. Down dog and stay here. 3 breaths. 3, 2, 1. Look forward. Bend your knees. Jump forward. Fold completely. Utkatasana. Exhale, release. Now, एक चीज़ देखो. When you are in डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग, राइट, तो प्रैक्टिस इट. अभी यहाँ पे हो तुम लोग, पैर टच हो रहे हैं कि नहीं, दैट्स ओके, बट योर अपर बॉडी शुड नॉट बी लाइक दिस. यू हैव टू पुश योर अपर बॉडी टुवर्ड्स योर लेग्स. इस तरह से हेड को जितना नीचे लाने की कोशिश कर सकते हो, डू इट. ठीक है, लेट्स प्रैक्टिस दिस एंड देन विल रिलैक्स. विल डू, और भी चीज़ें करेंगे. लेट्स डू डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग्स. डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग, सॉरी द डॉग. और थोड़ा सा पुश करो आप ऊपर से, पैर सेम प्लेस पे रहने दो. नाइस, इट्स गुड. ये वाला पार्ट, पुश इट. हाथ स्ट्रेट, जस्ट स्टे. यस, स्ट्रेट हैंड्स. नाइस, स्टे. थोड़ा पैर पीछे लेके जाओ मुकेश, और पीछे. नाइस, बस स्टे देयर. होल्ड इट. फोकस ऑन योर प्रैक्टिस. Stay. Stay. Keep breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your knees and relax in child's pose. Sit on your heels. Stay there. Stay. Keep breathing. 3. Long and deep breath. 2. Slow and long breath. 1. Slowly walk back. Sit back. Let's do dolphin push-ups. Measure your elbows. Measure out your elbows. Drop your elbows forward. Interlock your hands forward. Now जैसे डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग में हम लोग पूरा अपर बॉडी को पुश कर रहे थे. स्टे हियर इन डॉल्फिन पोज फर्स्ट. स्टे. Stay, keep breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, slowly look forward and come to push-up pose. Inhale back, exhale forward, inhale back, exhale forward, back. Keep breathing normally as per your pace. I'll count till 10. But do as much push-ups as you can. Mukesh, हाथ थोड़े closer. Don't increase the distance between your elbows. Stay there. 10. Keep doing. 9. 8. Go at your own pace. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Relax, drop, sit back, sit comfortably. Let's get into headstand after this. Measure your elbows. Joining for the session. Join after headstand. Sit back, relax. डॉल्फिन पुश. इसमें योर हैंड्स सेम पोजीशन. इंटरलॉक अप फॉरवर्ड पैरेलल बैक डाउनवर्ड. पैरेलल लाना है ज़मीन के एंड देन बैक. पैरेलल एंड बैक. ठीक है. Do it once, we'll see. Keep breathing, breathe normally. And for you also, for this round, bring your mat slightly this side. What's your name? Shreya. आपका नाम भी मैं भूल गई. Vijay. So Shreya, what you will do is you will do dolphin pose. You will measure your elbows. Stay here, interlock, lift your hips up and then look at your toes first. Stay there for a while. You will hold here for 10 breaths and then you will do the push-ups with your elbows. 1. Try to bring your body parallel. You can bring your legs slightly back. Okay? So, those who want to try headstand, you know the drill. Measure your elbows. क्या हुआ? नहीं, बहुत जगह है. Measure your elbows. Interlock your hands forward. You continue with dolphin push-ups. You have done headstand before? Then continue with the same push-ups. वो लगेगा कोने में जो ब्लॉक है ना. Let's do. मैं सपोर्ट करती हूँ पीछे से. कम. Start. Walk. वॉक वॉक वॉक, भूल गए क्या? वॉक वॉक फॉरवर्ड, वॉक, वेट वेट विजय, कम डाउन, इधर देखो, वॉक वॉक वॉक, पहले पैरेलल लाना है, कीप ब्रीदिंग, स्टे फोकस बैलेंस, बस स्टे देयर मुकेश, डोंट रिलैक्स। उसका चल हर बार बट अभी बैलेंस करो, कोशिश मत करो कि पैर ऊपर लाना है, बस उतना ही बैलेंस करो, ठीक है? लेट्स डू, इंटरलॉक योर हैंड्स, कम, वॉक वॉक वॉक, पहले फोल्ड योर नीज, ट्राई टुगेदर, यस, कम, स्टे, बस यहाँ पे बैलेंस करने की कोशिश करो, स्टे देयर, डोंट ट्राई टू जंप मुकेश, स्टे, बस यहीं पे बैलेंस करो, डोंट कम अप, रिलैक्स जहाँ पे, रिलैक्स, नहीं उस कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं है उसमें, इट्स राइट ओनली, it's okay, relax in child's pose, all of you. Let's move to the next one. Sit comfortably. Now first let's release the legs, tension in the legs, interlock, stay, elbows के पास पहले knees and then drop, 1, slowly, 2, keep breathing, keep your back straight, 3, 4, now faster, try to bring them up and down both sides equally, lift, 5, continue, 4, hold it tight, hold your legs tight, 3, 2, 1, relax, just bring your legs one step forward, just one step, back straight, open your chest out, take a deep breath in, with an exhalation fold forward as much as you can and relax here, keep breathing, breathe, 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 breathe here and then slowly come up, nice, relaxed. Once again come to downward facing dog, let's continue. Inhale, right leg up, right leg outside your right palm, nice, keep your back leg straight, both your elbows, try that if it is comfortable and look forward, focus, look forward, keep breathing, 10, 9, very nice, 8, keep focusing on your mat, on your practice, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your back leg, back knee on the mat, bring your palms up, take your right hand on your right knee, push your right knee out, open your chest, open, look up, stay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it to the center. Now the same leg, what you will do is come to pigeon pose. So your leg will bend forward, back leg straight. First both your arms here on your knee and ankle. Mukesh, bring your leg slightly in. So try to sit back, sit on the mat, sit straight and arch your back slightly. Stay there. What you can do is, ये जो एंकल है ना उसको पेल्विस की तरफ लाओ, फोल्ड इट, नी को बाहर लेके आओ इस तरह से, नी को ऐसे लेके आओ, नहीं, फिर से कम हियर एंड देन जस्ट सिंपली others hold the posture, yes, come up, look up, 3, 2, 1. Now from there bend forward and stretch your arms forward, Stay there. Keep breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly walk your hands forward. Lift your leg. Take it back. Now from here, right leg in between your palms. In between your palms, same leg. Drop your back leg. Now, Anjaneya Asana. Release your body up. From here, bring yourself forward. Take your arms up and stretch yourself nicely. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Front leg straight. Both palms beside your leg. अभी बैक लेग को जितना स्ट्रेच कर सकते हो, स्ट्रेच इट नाइसली. स्ट्रेच, स्ट्रेच, स्ट्रेच. On the mat, knee on the mat. Now straighten your front leg and fold forward. Straight, front leg straight and fold. दोनों हाथ थोड़ा आगे लेके. Yes, stay there. Stay, stay. Feel the stretch in your thighs, hamstrings. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out completely. Now slowly some dynamic movement. Bend your knee, front knee and back, back, front, bend, straight. You are doing with the left leg the whole practice. That's okay. And then in the next set, then bring the right leg forward. Straight leg, bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight, bend. Now slightly forward, front leg. जितना ला सकते हो. Just try to stretch. Stretch. Palm down. Stay there. Stay. Palms on the mat. जहाँ तक आ रहा है, no need to completely stretch it. अगर यहाँ भी है maximum stretch, then stay there. Don't try to attempt the full one. That's okay. Hold 5, 4. Hold the posture. 3. Keep breathing. 2, 1. Slowly slide your leg back. Come to downward facing dog once again. Feel the difference in your left and right leg. Observe the difference. Now lift your left leg up. Left leg outside your left palm for the lizard pose. So yes, slightly more forward. Left leg slightly more forward. Yes. Keep your back knee straight. Drop your arms on the mat. Look forward and stay. Keep your back knee straight. Try. अगर difficult है, then drop it down. Otherwise, keep holding it tight. Engage your core and stay. 10. Keep breathing. 9. Focus in the front or at the corner of your mat. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knee, back knee. Come on to your palms. Open your left leg. Stretch. Put your left arm on your left knee. Open it. Look up. Stay. 5, 4. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. Release. Now take the leg back and then come to pigeon pose. Yes, front knee forward. Nice. Drop your back knee straight. So left leg bent forward. पहले palms on your knee. It's okay. Stay. Try to stretch. यहाँ रख के stretch करो. It's okay. Stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now fold forward. Stretch your arms forward and stay there. Stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly walk your hands back. Come to downward facing dog. And then once again lift your left leg. Bring your left leg between your palms. Drop your back knee. Let's come to Anjaneya Asana. Arms up, arch back. Stay. Hold 5, 4. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. Palms forward. Stretch your front leg straight. Left leg straight. Fold forward. Stay. Stay there. Nice. Fold दोनों हाथ दोनों पैर के साइड में लाओगे, then it will be little easy to bend. Yes. Stay. 10. Keep breathing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knee bend, front knee bend, dynamic, straight, bend. Keep your palms on the same place. Don't move your hands. You can keep your fingers firm. Then front and back. Front and back. Okay? Front, straight and back. Straight, release. Keep the back leg straight. Keep the back leg straight. Nice. Stay. Let's do it 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Now if you're comfortable, slide your front leg forward as much as you can. और आगे पैर जैसे जैसे ले जाओगे वैसे हाथ को पीछे पीछे लाते जाओ. Open your legs as much as you can. Open. Yes. Nice. Stay. Stay wherever you are. Stay. Stay if you are here. Stay there. Hold 5, 4, stay 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring it back. Come to downward facing dog. Drop your knees on the mat and relax in child's pose for a while. Stay there. Breathe. Breathe. विजय, अगर ये ऐसे डिफिकल्ट है ना, देन ओपन योर लेग्स फर्स्ट एंड देन स्लाइड. हिप्स को नीचे टच करने की कोशिश करो. सिट ऑन योर हिप्स फर्स्ट, सिट ऑन योर हील्स फर्स्ट. यस, हील्स पे बैठ के एंड देन फॉरवर्ड. श्रेया, you also open your legs wide first. Now sit on your heels and then go forward. Try to touch your chest on the mat and relax. Hold here. Feel the stretch in your shoulders, shoulder blades. Stay. Hold. Keep breathing. And then slowly walk yourself back. Now from there, try to bring both your legs outside your thighs and sit between your thighs. If it's paining or hurting, then sit in Vajrasana, otherwise sit in Virasana. Okay. Now from here, keep your back straight, breathe. धीरे से with an exhalation, drop your hands on the mat and slowly lie down. You can try it with the Vajrasana. Sit like this, you both, Mukesh and Shreya, and then lie down here. It's okay, stay there. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly take the support of your elbows and then come up. Relax. Come on to your knees. Open your right leg towards the right. Okay. Nice. Now, slide your right hand on your right leg and tilt towards the right. Look up towards the ceiling. Stay. Don't try not to bend forward. Open your chest out and look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly back. Now left hand on the mat firmly and then open your chest towards the left. Once stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. Switch the side. Open your left leg. You can keep it either on the heel or like this. ठीक है, जैसे भी comfortable है. Slide your hand on the left leg. Hold it. Open your chest. Look up. Try to keep your hand closer to your ear. Palms facing inside. Yes. Bring it slightly more down. Hand towards your ear. Stay 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly up. Drop your right hand. Open. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly up. Release. Come onto your knees once again. Now both your knees will be hip width apart. Let's do camel pose, Ushtrasan. So now if you are doing for the first time, first check your back bend like this. If this is comfortable, try with one hand and stay. If this is also comfortable, take other hand also and hold your heel. If this is also very comfortable, go one more step, place your palm on your sole of the feet and open your chest out. Okay, whichever is comfortable, let's do it and hold for 10 breaths. Start, breathe in, breathe out, stay, drop your head back, open your chest as much as you can. 10. Vijay, don't lean back, open your chest. Yes, come up. Yes, nice. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Sit back and open your feet wide. So as wide as you can. Both your arms up, back straight. Inhale. With an exhalation, fold towards your right leg. Bend as much as you can. Exhale. Stay there. Hold your leg wherever possible. Stay. Focus. Keep your toes active. Both your legs active. Toes facing towards you. Left toe also. Kushagra. Bring your toe like this. Yes. You also, Shreya. Bring your legs straight. Stretch your arms up. Come up. Towards the left. Keep your feet active. Stay, fold, stay wherever you are. Breathe in, breathe out. With every exhalation, try to go slightly deeper. Stay. Stretch your arms up. Place your palms in the front, center. Slide your hands forward. Wherever it's reaching, stay there. अगर elbows touch हो रहे हैं तो touch your elbows on the mat. Keep your toes active. Feel the stretch in the back of your thighs. Drop your hands forward and start. Keep walking forward जितना आगे जा सकते हैं. Stay wherever you are. Keep your toes active, Shreya. Yes. Stay. Keep breathing. Look down and focus. Stay. 10. With every exhalation, try to go slightly more deeper. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, nice, 3, 2, 1. Slowly walk your hands back. Bring your legs together. Both your arms up. Inhale. With an exhalation, fold forward, toes active. Keep your toes, feet together. Feet together. And hold wherever you are. If you are here, hold it. Go down as much as you can. Stay. Kushag, hold your legs here first. Pehle, try to touch your belly to your thighs. And then, if you are reaching here, then hold your ankles. Stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Slowly come up. Now see, यहाँ से ऐसे hold करने की जगह try करो कि पहले hold here ये जो बेली वाला पार्ट है दैट शुड टच योर थाइज फर्स्ट. अगर ये टच नहीं हो रहा है देन यू विल फील स्ट्रेन लेग्स में, नस खिंचा जाएगी. तो अगर इफ़ यू आर हियर देन ट्राई टू टच योर बेली फर्स्ट and look forward. If this is touching, keep your knees on the mat. Then bring your hands from outside your sole of the feet. Okay, not from here. Try it from here. Let's do it. Stay nice, very nice, Vijay. Keep breathing. Feet together, Mukesh. Stay. Yes, nice. Inhale and exhale. Slowly relax. Stay. Stretch your arms up. Come up. Let's do the counter pose. Both your hands behind your hips. You can choose to keep it either this way or this way, जो भी comfortable है. And feet together. With an inhalation, lift your body up and drop your head back. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Let's do it once again. Take a deep breath in. Inhale and come up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop, relax, and then lie down on your mat and do some spine twist. Lie down simply. Both your hands will be on either side of your body. Now slowly, both your palms facing towards the ceiling. Listen, you will be able to do it really very easy. Lift only your right leg up, right leg towards the right side, drop it at the right. Hold your right leg with the right hand. Try. If you are able to hold, otherwise stay wherever you are. Try to touch both your hips on the mat. Stay. Stay, feel the stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your leg up. Stay and same leg towards the left side. Drop your leg towards the left. Try to catch your toe with the left hand by keeping both your knees straight and look towards your right hand. Look at your right hand. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your leg up, drop your leg down. Now slowly lift your left leg up, straight left leg on the left side. Try to catch your left leg with the left hand. Very nice. Stay here. Try to bring your leg as high as you can. Keep stretching. Stay, breathe normally. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your leg up towards the right side and catch your left leg with the right hand and look at your left hand, left palm facing towards the ground. Stay, try to keep both your knees straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your leg up and drop your leg. Bend both your knees. Hands वहीं पे रहेंगे अभी. Lift your heels from the mat. Drop both your knees towards the right, closer to your elbow. Look at your left side. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Both your knees to the left, head to the right. Give a nice twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center. Now just bend your right leg. Keep the left leg straight. अब राइट लेग को क्रॉस करके लेफ्ट नी के साइड में रखो. राइट नी क्रॉस करो लेफ्ट नी के साइड. Take your left hand at your knee, keep at your knee, and right hand will be on the mat, and bring your leg towards the left and head towards the right. Twist, twist, Nice. Hold 3, 2, 1. Release. Now same position, bend your left leg also, और right leg जो है that will come on your knee. We'll do one more same side and then we'll move to the next one. अभी lift your leg up, bring your hand from under your thighs and bring it towards your towards your body. Feel the stretch, piriformis stretch. Stay, keep your head on the mat. Stay, and then release. Keep your right leg straight, left leg crossing your right leg, right hand on your left knee, bring your knee towards the ground and head towards the left side. Stay there, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center. Same, bend your right knee, left heel on your knee and bring your leg up. Interlock your hand behind your thighs and bring your, अभी एल्बो से पुश करो, लेफ्ट नी एल्बो से पुश करने का ट्राई करो अगर होता है तो, स्लोली एंड कीप ब्रीदिंग. हेड ऑन द मैट, ऐसे नहीं, इंटरलॉक करके, हाँ, जस्ट लाइक दिस. हेड ऑन द मैट. स्टे. 3, 2, 1. Drop. Both your knees to the chest. Hug your knees. Keep your head on the mat. Hug your knees to the chest. Stay there. Breathe. Try to massage your back by moving side to side, to the left, to the right. Very nice. Stay. And then release and lie down in Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart. Eyes gently closed. Fingers naturally curled, palms towards the ceiling. Bring your complete attention to your breath once again. Relax your toes. Relax your ankles. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your knees, thighs, hips. Relax your lower back, mid back, upper back. Relaxing the shoulders, arms, elbows, wrists, palms. Relax your neck, head, forehead, eyes, ears, nostrils. Continue to breathe deep and long. Breathe in, breathe out slowly and deeply. Stay in silence for a while. Slowly move your toes, feel your toes, move your fingers, move your head to the right, to the left, bring it back to the center, bring your legs together, interlock your hands over your head like Tadasana, stretch your body nicely, stretch, stretch, stretch as much as you can, exhale and release, take a turn to one side slowly, take the support of the palms and sit back, sit in comfortable cross-leg posture. Let's end the session with 1 Om and 3 Shantis. Take a deep breath in. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently rub your palms together. Cup it to your eyes, give the warmth. Rub your palms once again. Place it at your heart center. And slowly bring your palms in front of your face and look at your palms.